Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Magnus and today we're going to install a Cisco virtual router in VMware Workstation. So let's download the software. So software download. And you need to have an account here. So if you don't have an account, well, sorry. And in this case, you see here, I already downloaded it, but let's search for it. Let's do like this. Browse all. And then you see down here, you see routers, and then you want to go for virtual routers, the 1000V series. And when you go here, you see XC software. So when you come to the router, you have a lot of options to download, and I find it a lot easier just to take the OVR file, because that one is more or less for VMware. Because you will need like a guide. So accept the license agreement, and then it will be downloaded. Let's just put it here, and you see I already have it, so we don't need to wait for it. So I'll press abort here, but you put save. When you have downloaded the OVA file, I find it just easier to just double click on it, and this will start in VMware Workstation, or in VMware, so to say. I will do like this. I will just remove that and call it Cisco, underline, and then you can put the path where you want the virtual machine to be. I will just leave it as it is, and then next. And when it comes to deployment options, well, this is a lab, so small should be plenty. If you're doing it in production, of course you can read what type of performance you will get in small, medium and large. In this case we will go for small. And next you come to the bootstrap. I find it easier just to put in some stuff here. For example, the router name, like router. And I also put in login and password. When it comes to the rest of the things, you can pick if you want to put it in. Maybe it saves you some time. If you hold over the I, you can see what this is regarding. The one feature that we can add, for example, is like the license of boot level. Here you can see if you want the security, IP based, or whatever you want. I will put it for AX for now, and you can read in the documentation what each license is including. And features, let's turn off Telnet. So enable SSH login and disable Telnet. I will not put in anything else. Let's do this in the CLI instead. Press import. And then it will import the router configuration to VMware. I really don't like this, but it's auto booting. So let's just press enter. If you don't press anything, it will just select the top one and it will go its time. This boot process, maybe it takes like 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how fast the machine you have. Don't be alarmed that it takes a while. And here I just wait until it's well, booted. When you see like the interface going to administrative down and so on, well, then it's very near to be finished. So I think we can just press enter here. Well, we are logged in. Enable. Let's check how many interfaces we have. Show IP int brief. So we have 3 interfaces. If you want to change this, well, then you need to go into the VMware settings on the machine, add interfaces. And as it didn't change anything, or it did boot before we did have time to change any VMware net, I will just put this into VMnet 2 and VMnet 3. This one I will disconnect. And the reason for this is because I have a different lab regarding checkpoint. So let's put some IP addresses on it. conft. If you are unsure of what interface leads to which VMnet, you can do like this. You can do exit and you can do show interface and just press enter. And then you will be able to see the MAC address. So you see the MAC address is here. So it's ending on 3E-D6 on gigabit Ethernet 1. And then you can map it in settings. And you see here Ethernet 1, and you can press advanced here. Here you have the MAC address. So if you're unsure which number it is, just check this. But well, this is gigabit Ethernet 1, 2 and 3. So it will be in order. But if you add something extra additional, maybe the order change and so on, yeah, you can just verify this. I will just put an IP address so I can reach this. So conft int gigabit 3 IP address 10.10.10.1 245.245.245.0, and then enter, and no shutdown. If you're unsure of any command, if you're not aware of this, you can just do question mark. And keep in mind, this is an American keyboard and you cannot change this, and it's super annoying. So you can do a question mark. So you find it. Let's see if the interface did come up. So show IP int brief. So we have one IP address, but let's see if we can reach this. So 10.1. So I'm logged into a machine that sits on the same VM net. So let's do like this. 10.10.10.1. And it sits on the same VM net as the server, or as the router, I mean. This is the second time I'm installing it, so it has a new fingerprint, so just ignore this one. Yes. And admin. And our password that we did set. So show IP int brief. So this is the same as before. If you want to do changes from here, you can of course do that. So it's same as conft, and then you can just do it. So that's it for this video. I hope you did like it. If you did, please like, share and comment below. And hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.